So this is the KDTM704ESS dishwasher. This exciting footage is the leak at the bottom of my dishwasher. You can see it's leaking pretty well. I had no clue what to do, so I brought in a repair guy. He replaced a part, he ordered a part, replaced it, and when he was testing it, it still leaked. He threw up his hand, said, "I don't know how to fix this," and left. Since this is a $1,700 dishwasher, a really nice dishwasher, I didn't want to just throw it away. I figured I could replace a part myself. I just didn't know what part to order. Turned out to be really easy, and I'll show you why. You see that circular plastic piece at the bottom of the dishwasher there? That's called the sump. Attached to that is two motors, a bunch of plumbing, basically most of the seals in the dishwasher. It's pretty much everything that can leak other than the door or the fill. So if you order that part and replace it, that's most of what can leak in a dishwasher, and that's what I did. This is that part. This is the plastic piece in the center of the dishwasher. Let me show you how this works. So this rubber gasket seals against the metal in the bottom of the dishwasher. If this leaks, your dishwasher will leak. Mine was pretty loose, so it may very well have been leaking. There's no way for me to know. Let me show you what's going on with this. So underneath, so this is where my drips were coming from. This motor drives both the dynamic wash system arms. It spins those arms, and it also selects which of 4 different ports the water comes out of. And the 4 ports are used for pro scrub, regular washing, regular upper rack washing, and bottle washing. And so it's got a plastic disc. I'll show it to you in a moment. It selects one of those 4 ports for the output. This is the recirculating pump. This is what's sitting there running whenever the dishwasher is running. And then attached to here, and it doesn't come with this sump part. This is a $200 part with everything you see here. Right here is where the drain pump goes. And the only other piece that doesn't come with this goes in this hole right here. It just turns out and comes out. It's called the turbidity detector. And that can tell whether your dishes are still dirty, and that's what does the pro wash system, where it sets the amount of time according to how long it washes. Let me show you what's going on the other side here. So this is where the wash arm attaches. This little piece right here spins it, and then it's actually a little gear that spins it, and then it spins from right here. And then there's a little selector. Let me see if I can get this thing out. That selects 4 different places. You see this has 4 output ports, like I described before. 1, 2, 3, 4 right here, and it comes out the different pipes right here. And then this disc, this little plastic disc, spins to the right position, so it blocks all but one of those ports. But all of that doesn't matter. If you have a leak from anywhere in the middle of the dishwasher, it's all but guaranteed to be something that's part of this part, and so that's what I replaced, and I think that will solve most leaks. So I did replace that part, and been running the dishwasher about a week now, bone dry, not a single leak. There's a lot of places you can look online to see how to replace it. I just followed the instructions in one of them. Hardest part, as far as I was concerned, was it took a little bit of muscle to pull the thing down into the metal ring that it fits within. And but yeah, piece of cake, and it works perfectly. $200 fix instead of having to buy a new $1,700 dishwasher. So this is the parts diagram for this dishwasher. I ordered part number 10 in this diagram, the W10861526. Pump and motor is what they describe it as, but it's really that whole assembly. And yeah, so I hope you have the same luck, and I hope this video helps someone. Thanks.